Welcome to Colorado. Tomorrow, it'll be sunny and clear.
Hey, you people up in Denver that think you're having a snowstorm? No, you're not.
This is as heavy as the snow has been. I'm on the west side of Denver. It's about 12:15 this afternoon. Standing on my porch. We've had about 14 to 16 inches of snow, and it is coming down at least 1 to 2 inches per hour. And the wind is, as you can see, blowing around it.
All right, guys. Here we are in Thornton, Colorado. Thought I'd show everybody how much snow we have. I'm up to my knees in snow.
Alright, Sweet Dustin is shoveling our front, and our neighbor's is stuck. And Dustin is shoveling his way over there to help.
Okay, small path made. No big deal. Everybody's got to shovel snow once in a while. And then here are the cars. For reference, they got completely buried. I just got them out here. Just for reference, between both of our cars, both SUVs, that's where it's at. And just walking, it goes about at the highest up to my thighs.
Well, to the rest of the country, I'm out here in Aurora, Colorado. That's what it looks like outside my door. That's a golf course right there. And what you can't see up there is the clubhouse. Up near those trees, right between them is the clubhouse.
Look at that. Oh dear. Oh.
Why not? I was like, I don't know.
And now Finn wants to go find the sidewalk, so I'm gonna let him. Come on, bud. Can you make it in the snow? Come on. Come on. Not quite. Not quite what you had in mind. Too deep for Finn.
Snowstorm.
This is some deep snow. Wow. Woo! Crazy.
Good, huh?
Yeah, if you could find my REI gloves
Uh-huh.
or my mittens.
Okay.
Keep your legs up, okay? Here we go!
Wow.
Quick, Vert.
Yep. Oh, you almost didn't make it. Snow Angel.
Crazy, man.
No darkness here in Colorado. All white.
Oh, yeah.
See you guys, so check this out. This is really why I love doing this, because I already got a situation and I'm getting ready to help, and I had to tell him we're gonna go in reverse because he got a front wheel drive vehicle and he's stuck.
Beautiful day. Sun is shining. Blue skies. Snow Angel. Go, Snow Angel.
Hey.
I had to come outside and find my my stairs and my sidewalk and my car. Found it. It's still there. That's good news. Sidewalk. It's like a little tunnel right now.
It's a blowing. Can't even see downtown Denver. Locomotives, that's all the work I got to go do. Work on all those locomotives in the snow today.
Yeah, this is a blizzard.
Feels like a blizzard at times. I mean, gusts over 35, but can you hear it roaring through the trees? To officially be a blizzard, it's got to be blowing at 35 miles per hour, sustained for at least 3 hours. So, whew, it takes your breath away. We're not there yet, but this is a lot of snow, and it's gonna be coming down like this for about the next 8 to 10 hours before finally tapering.
There's so much snow out here. It looks daytime. Like it's 10 o'clock at night right now.